What's poppin'? Chit chatting with y'all on Sunday. I ain't did it in a minute. We're about to get this vlog going. Skin. I ain't even did my skincare yet, y'all. Like, I'm literally in the middle of washing and, you know, doing all that. I got to get ready to go get Cadence. So, and I'm in the middle of doing this wig, y'all. This is another wig. I got about like 5 wigs, y'all. So just stay tuned. 2 of them, I'll be doing wig, YouTube wig reviews, and then I'll be doing TikTok wig reviews too. But in order for me to post it, I got to clear out my storage, so that's what's taking me long. But I just want to check in with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all later though. I'll see y'all in the next clip because it's self-care Sunday. So I'll see y'all in the next clip, y'all. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to another clip. It is the next day. Excuse my hair. I literally just woke up, took a shower, put the band on my head and left out. But this is about to come off. I'm about to get ready and install another one. Yeah, so we are back out and about. I'm getting ready to go take my dad somewhere right quick, and then after that I'm gonna still do Uber Eats today or whatever. Yesterday was a good day, y'all, but for me to have got back like into the app, you know, that day I did, it was pretty cool. I just been tired though from the day that I worked on Sunday, and then I did my hair late, and then I ended up going to the gym, so I'm still tired from that. But today we're supposed to be going to the gym because it is Wednesday, so I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I try to give myself 3 or 4 days out of the week so that I can just go, because I don't be knowing how the days be planned. But again, I try to do Uber Eats from, you know, a little morning to about like in the afternoons, evening, before 3. I don't try to be out here all day, because you know how people in Chicago drive. They get the tweaking, all type of stuff. What's going on over there? It's so much traffic. Oh my God. Oh wow. Come on now. What's happening But yeah, y'all, I just got on here to check in with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next clip. Hey y'all, so as promised, I'm in another clip. So today we have the mango refresher. Hold on, y'all. Today we are trying the mango refresher. Straight 10 out of 10. What are y'all talking about? And then of course we got Kaden some snacking bacon. Of course I got my everything bagel. Woot woot. And then of course I got me some dirty browns. But y'all, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Shall we? Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. We're about to head out and start Ubering. But first, we're going to go to the gas station. Then we're going to go get some breakfast. It is currently 10 o'clock, so we actually an hour behind. We were supposed to leave out at 9, but nonetheless, I'll be out here all day today. So, yeah. Just checking in with y'all. And I hope to see y'all in the next... Thought I saw some on my nose. Unless it flew out. But yeah, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Of course, I got my matcha. Awesome. Okay, then got him a little vanilla bean frappe. That's real sweet. And of course, I got me a cheese Danish, which is my favorite. And he got him a little chocolate cake pop. These are my favorite. I used to get this all the time. This or the vanilla bean. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we head out. You on the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. Happy 4th of July. You gotta show. Alright, and you gotta show everybody your fireworks because you got a whole bunch. Let them know you got a whole bunch of works. So when we get to the house, show them your works. Alright, y'all.
You see these things?
We're getting ready to go to the store, of course.
I got big ones. Look. I got 2 of these. Everyone was buy one, get one free.
Hi, Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak though. Man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Xoxo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? They in the street and hate me, fuck them all in the mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go.
Okay. I just knew it. That's why. That's exactly what I was talking about.
They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something P-Rest, that's for bitchin'. You Malibu most morning, ain't no love when you ball boy, fish rate or something.
It's getting real out here.
2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, walk over your foe. The other vaginal option, pussy. Nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous all up in content. Might write this for the doctrine. Tell the pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident. I'm hands on. Fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain growing. He was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad he Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central. Nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered.